Hey guys, today we're making these really yummy, super soft and moist carrot cupcakes. They're so yummy and the recipe is so quick and easy to follow. It's a super yummy treat for any time and I'm sure you'll love it. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so we're going to start off in a bowl and you're going to add in your sugar. Into that, you're going to crack in all your eggs. Once you've cracked in your eggs, then you want to whisk this until it's nice, light, and pale in color like this. Once you've reached that stage, then you can stop mixing and add in your oil and then just mix this through. It should become a really nice and smooth, glossy batter like this. Once that's done mixing in, then you're going to sift in your flour, and do make sure that you sift it in just to ensure that the batter is super smooth and there are no lumps. Once the flour is sifted in, then you can add in your baking powder, as well as your baking soda, a pinch of salt, and your cinnamon. Now the cinnamon gives the cupcakes a really nice flavor and makes it super delicious. And then you just want to whisk this all together until it's well combined. It should become a nice batter like this. And it must be super smooth. Once you've reached this stage, then you're going to add in your carrots as well as your chopped pecan nuts. But if you don't have pecan nuts, you can add in other nuts or you can omit it if you want. And then just mix this all together. Once it's mixed in, it should look like this. And then you want to add in your warm water and then just mix that through. And it should become a nice runny batter like this. Once that's done, then you can scoop it into your cupcake liners, but make sure you scoop it in only halfway full as they rise a lot. And then bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until they're fully done. Once they're done, then let them cool down and decorate with some cream cheese icing. And I will leave the recipe in the description box below or on the top right hand side corner of this video. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these delicious carrot cupcakes. They're easy and super soft. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.